Find the value of x. So cx, 6x plus 54 is equals to 96. So we shall say 6x is equals to 96, subtract from 54. So 6x is equals to 42. So for us to remain with x, divide both sides by 6 by 6. So x is equals to 7. So a school tank has 8 whole and 3 over 4 liters. 6 whole and 2 over 5 liters was used to cook. Find the fraction of the water that remained. So that is subtraction. So 8 whole and 3 over 4. Subtract from 6 whole and 2 over 5. So there, 8 whole minus 6 whole, there is 2 whole. 4 multiplied by 5 is 20. So 5 multiplied by 3 is 15. Subtract from 4 multiplied by 2 is 8. So 15 minus 8 is 7. So we shall have our answer as 7 over 20. Then we pick this 2 whole here. The answer is 2 whole and 7 over 20.